All right, we got part 2 to our radical equations. We're going to square both sides. So I'm squaring both sides. Still getting rid of this radicand, right? Radicant? No, just kidding. All right, terrible joke. Terrible math joke. Don't worry about me. Equals n squared. Ooh, interesting. So we got to do a few more things. What I'm going to do is I want to get all of these terms on one side of the equation. I like to see a positive n squared, so I'm going to subtract n here. What I do to one side, I must do to the other. But then I'm also going to subtract this 110, so now I'm left with, no, I have to add that guy. Ooh, check that out. See, check that. Side's got to be different for them to cancel. So now I have 0 equals, let me subtract 110, n squared, because n squared minus n is not the same, plus n minus 110. Now, what do? Let me get this guy out of here. Well, now I have to factor. If you don't know how to factor, you can check out my videos on that. What multiplies to be negative 110, but adds up to be 1. So I have 0 equals n, I'm going to have a plus and an n minus. They have to be numbers real close to each other. It's going to be 11 and 10. 11 times 10 is 110. Positive 11 minus 10 gives me this positive 1 right here. All right, now we have to solve for our solutions and then check to see which one works. Well, we have n plus 11 equals 0, or n minus 10 equals 0. If we have the plus 11, we'd have to subtract 11. So n equals negative 11, or add 10, n equals positive 10. Okay, so if we were to look, hey buddy, if we were to look at this equation, a square root is never going to equal a negative number. So automatically, this fella is not the answer because we cannot equal a negative number. Look at this guy. Adorable. Go downstairs, please. Thank you. But the positive 10, we can check it out. So let's check it out. Let's plug in positive 10 right here. So 110 minus 10, that is the square root of 100. This is supposed to be 10. Does that equal 10? Is this true? It is true. That is our answer. Final answer. See you next time.